how to open the hood of your Hyundai Sonata. So first, on the driver footwell, you're gonna go down over here, and then you're gonna notice you're gonna have the hood latch release over here. Pull on it completely. Now the hood will be closed obviously, and you'll need to glide your fingers, all right, just like that, in the middle right above the Hyundai logo, and push on this small latch. You won't see it, obviously the hood will be down, and you'll have to unlatch it and pull up the whole hood. Usually you will also have a prop rod helping you maintaining the hood up. Obviously here it's gone, and this is why there's none. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.